I welcome you once again to this channel where I'm some for OP Beats. So if person sending message, will be a contact list. I have two methods of doing this. Now let's go to the first one. So when you're joining Assinman TV, now we subscribe, now we join Amaye. Let me open my WhatsApp. We'll be WhatsApp with them. No, I friend be out and have a fun. And our number be out or sending a message no be one. Like anyhow, we sending a message now we delete here anyhow. And the crowd is normal. We used to do this kind of thing, so it's normal. And DBA, any pana person sending a message now, save the number. Over the number no, I will box in him. And before I be born, just type wa.mg/. Now you add the country code. So nipa no country crowd one. So Ghana have no the country code here +233. But here you ignore the plus. You type 233. If nipa na who sending a message now who save the number no. What the number not twice. And also obey ignore 0 no. So my person may use number or my contact listing. So I'm creating number be and I'm finding share there. If only the person is using WhatsApp there, it will go through. So let me create any number. Okay, mommy here's a song. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let me add this. Okay, we are send our number we are. Most a generated link. It is our number we use WhatsApp there. Or click as well. Ever con direct. Okay, wait for some time. Okay, now wow. It's nice to say nipa na me sending a message no. Say or no boys are banafi me wa chat be an chat here. Na my chat no because of me nipa currently. I won't worry myself. So this is how it works. This is method 1. Now let's go to method 2. This is for those who are using GB WhatsApp. Until back up maybe a menu no one. I say in America then the presses no call message a number. Until we need bar phone number we need bar no type a country code which is +233. Had a bubble plus no +233. But I answer on for 0 number. No abo straight nipa number no. And also I create number behind shown here 0 2 4 6 now if you call message and also na ban this mini currently I have nothing to ask or tell him or her. So here is it, and as usual we are most for OP Beats. And so when you're joining Assinman TV, now subscribe, now join Amaye. Share video description. We are see more links to more videos. I was here which me share. We have how to download the video from Facebook. Yeah, how to browse for free. So production for free be answer. We share video with description. I see more videos. I was here. Now I should be. I'm sure so be in Amaye. OP Beats in Macram. Bye bye.